Oh my freaking goodness, Redline News Report. Listen, guys, y'all remember that video I uploaded, I don't know, a couple of days ago? We was discussing to the CEO of Ford Motor Company on why auto mechanics should be making more. And I had a couple of guys on there talking about the reasons why a lot of the dealership bays are empty. Yes, the number one reason happens to be pay. That's right, guys. Pay. It does not pay enough for a mechanic to come in and work on brand new cars for that little amount. All right. That is the number one reason why a lot of the Ford dealers are empty from mechanics. Okay. Now, and I was strolling on the internet and I see this article or ad, Costco paying their employers, get this, upwards of $30 a freaking hour. All right. $30. Do you know what that means? There are some mechanics, certified mechanics out there in dealerships not making $30 a flat rate hour. All right. So a particular guy or person working at Costco full time, 40 hours a week at $30 an hour. Somebody do the math real quick for me. Put it in the comment section. Do you know their paycheck will likely be more than this $25 an hour certified mechanic at a Ford dealership? All right, that is crazy, guys. Now, how is a mechanic supposed to want to remain a mechanic? Keep in mind, he have to buy his own tools. All right, yes, hopefully healthcare is included because from my understanding, Costco offer real good benefits to their employee. I was strolling through some of the comments in here, and there are employees in the comment section bragging on how well Costco take care of their employees. Now, this video is not to encourage mechanics to abandon their dream goal of being mechanics. All right. Yes, some of us in our early stages, some guys, I don't know, 17, 18 in high school, dreamed of someday being a world famous auto mechanic. All right. But yes, they did not dream of the pay being what it is. And now competing with a freaking grocery store, Costco. Go figure, guys. Something has to change. This is crazy. All right, y'all let me know how y'all feel in the comment section.